Hello everyone, and welcome to the actual first devlog for Mini Golf Tycoon. I've been busy working on the building system for the past week or so, and even though it still has some features to be added, bugs to be worked out, and systems to be rewritten, I think I've made enough progress to show off in a devlog. So let's get started. After the last video, I realized you had no way of deleting your pieces. So I went ahead and wrote a script that checks for when you click on an object, adds an outline to it, and opens up a panel that will let you delete the object. It wasn't too much, and here you can see it in action. Next, I made a simple check to see if your mouse is over another piece, and if it is, you can't place the selected object. This is very problematic because what if your mouse is over a taller object like a tree, so you can't place it? And you can still place objects inside of other objects, just not as far. So this will be changing to use collision to detect whether you can place something or not, just like most other games. And it was finally time for a big feature in my game, first person. All it is right now is walking around and shooting a little golf ball through the course. The power meter determines how much force the ball is hit with, and it travels up and down when you hold the mouse button down. I decided to add more things to the selected object panel. It is not all the things that will be going on it, but I thought two more things would be nice. First of all, the name of the object you selected will now appear at the top of the panel, and there is a new button above delete. The move button will pick up the selected object and restart the placing process. I thought deleting and replacing was a little tedious, so this was a nice addition. Finally, I made a few models in Blender that weren't course pieces. They're trees. I'm really proud of these. I will definitely add more with different types and shapes, but these will do for now. You can place and select them just like any other piece and climb them in first person mode. I also made a model for the guests, but I think that's too creepy to show here for now. Anyway, I think that it's time to end the video. Wait, what is this? What is happening? No!